सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कारः। स्वागतम्। अद्य कक्षा वर्तते, कक्षायाः संख्या वर्तते 481 81-चतुश्शततमी, यत्र वयं गतकक्षायां पठितस्य श्लोकस्य अभ्यासं पठन्तः स्मः। 15मः श्लोकः पठितः अस्माभिः। तत्सम्बन्धी अभ्यासः आरब्धः मन्ये, न आरब्धः, अभ्यासात् पूर्वं तत्र निदर्शनं वर्तते। निदर्शने व्याकरणांशाः इदानीं पठ्यन्ते। व्याकरणांशान् समासः समाप्तः मन्ये। अच्छा, समासद्वयम् अवशेषमस्ति। समासेषु तत्र 5 समासपदानि दत्तानि सन्ति। 5 पदेषु 3 समाप्तानि गतकक्षायां। 3 compound words have been seen earlier. 2 are left out. We will read 2 and then go ahead. Vasudhadipasya, that is Vasudhadipasya.
वसुधायाः अधिपः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष वसुधाधिपः तस्य वसुधाधिपस्य।
वसुधायाः, वसुधा इति आकारान्त स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः। कन्यावत् वसुधायाः अधिपः राजा इति षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः। वसुधाधिपः तस्य वसुधाधिपस्य। कुपरीक्षकाः, कुत्सिताः परीक्षकाः कर्मधारय समासः। कुत्सिताः परीक्षकाः, बैड एग्जामिनर्स, कंडेमेबल एग्जामिनर्स। सो एवं तत्र समासः समाप्तः। अग्रे गच्छन् कृदन्तान् पश्यामः। गच्छन्तौ कृदन्तान् पश्यामः। कृदन्तचतुष्टयमस्ति तत्र। 4 शब्दाः सन्ति कृदन्त वर्गे। उपस्कृत इति क्रू इति धातु क्रुयिक्त क्तान्त सुट्। सुट् नाम स आगम, सकारस्य आगमः सुड्, सुडागम। सो उप क्रू इज देयर ना, बिफोर क्रू sakara is there. That is agama comes there. The sut, that is from sut you get only sa remaining. Vu and ta get elided. So upaskruta, samkruta, samskruta, what? Samskara, samkara, samskara, samskrutihi, kuri, same thing. Then vikhyataah, Srinivas, vi upasarga. विशेषेण ख्याताः। विख्याताः, विख्यात इति पदस्य अर्थः विशेषेण ख्याताः, नोन, वेल नोन, स्पेशली नोन, स्पेशली नोन, विशेष। वि उपसर्गस्य अर्थः विशेष। तत्र पतिता, पातिताः न, क्षम्यतां, पातिताः। Bhuadigana, that is Bhuadigana means first class, we have already noted. Bhuadi, Bhuadi, Adadi, etc. Whatever verb, that conjugation, we said ganas. If each gana begins with one letter, one dhatuna, so Bhuadi begins with Bhugana, Bhu Bhavati, Bhuadi, Adadi, Juhotyadi, then Divadi, etc. Those ganas are there, they are referred. So next is, there is a slight information required here. Bhu ka kru bhutakalika krut pratyaya. I don't know what is. We have not come across this kind of acronym earlier. But there is, Srinivas, pata plus nich should be there. Nijanta is there. Causal, Preranartha is there. That is not given here. Patita, it is not patita.
Yeah,
Pata dhatoho nich tatra. Anantaram tanta. Patita, made to fall. Fell is different, made to fall is different. So, pat, nich, ta. But what is this abbreviation? Bhuta, bhuadidana, dha, gana. I don't know. Earlier we did not get it. Kuru. Anyway, leave it. Kutsyaha. Kutsa iti dhatu. Yes. Churadi. This is Churadi Gana means which Gana? Remember any remembrance is there? Dashama Gana. 10th. Last one is Churadi Gana. Beginning with Bhuadi, ending with Churadi. Chorayati, Chorayataha, Chorayanti. So, Churadi Gana, Yat, that suffix is there. Kutsayati. It is becoming Kutsayati means abusing. Kutsyaha. Iti. Anandram Tadditantaha Eka Shabda. Jadyam. Jadya Shain. Jadasya Bhavaha Jadyam. That is the pratyaya there. Jadyam means lethargy, laziness. Then we have Kosha Srinivas coming up. Shastram. Nidesha Granthayoho Shastram iti Amarakoshaha. You can show them now. So we are on page 104 and 105. So please also look into those poems which I quoted. And I did not write, I think I did not write on the board. So here are there for your consumption. Ajata Mruta Murkhanam Varamadhyau Nachantimaha. So if you break the sandhis, Ajata Mruta Murkhanam, no sandhi, Varam plus Adhyau. Better. Varamiti Avyaya Padam. Varam Adhyau. Adhyau Nama Ajata Mrutau iti. Etesham Trayanam Adhyau Kau Adhyau first two. Cha na cha antimaha. Savanadiresana. Na cha antimaha. Antimaha tatra murkha iti. Murkha na. Sakrut dukkha karau. Sandhi vicheda. Sakrut ekavaram. Dukkha karau. Adhyau Ajata Mrutas Putrau Sakrud Ekavarameva Dukkakarau Bhavataha. They give pain, inflict pain only once in lifetime. Then how do you break this? Dukkakarau plus Sakrud Dukkakarau Adhyau. So again Adhyau is used here. Dukkakarau Adhyau. The first two are pain giver, that is understood. Antimahatu Antimastu Pade Pade. The Murkaha Pade Pade Tatra Dukkakaraha Bhavati iti. That's already explained. Now only Sandhis I will explain. Ajata, next poem, there is a slight variation you can see here. Murkhanam, here Murkhebhyo is there. Then Varamadhyau is there, here Mruta Ajatau Sutau Varam. That was Ajata Mruta Murkhebhyo. Then these three, Mruta Ajatau Sutau Varam. The dead and unborn sons are better. Yataha Visarga Sandhi. Tau, again Ayadi Sandhi. Yatas Tau Alpa Dukkhaya. Yatastavalpa Dukkhaya iti Ayavayava Sandhi. Yavajjivam Jadaha Dahet. Jadaha Nama Murkaha Yavajjivam Dahati. Pitarau Dahati Tatra. Samajam Dahati. So wonderful poems, you can also learn that. Now Shastram, Srinivas. Nidesha Granthayoha Shastram. What is Shastram? Explained. Sishyate Anena iti va. Shas iti dhatu. This is coming from the second Adadi Gana. Second Gana or conjugation of verbs. P stands, as you know, for Parasmaipadi. Anusistau, that is the meaning. Shas Anusistau, to teach, to inform, to advise. So Shasti, the present tense will be lat lakara Shasti, like Asti. Asadhatu also Adadigana. Asti like Shasti. So Shishyate is a passive form. What is Shishyate? The Karmani Prayoga of Shasa. Shishyate is instructed, is taught, is advised, informed, is instructed, is taught by this. Therefore it is called Shastra. It is an instructing book. Instructing book, Shastra. Shishyate anena, Sishyate anena iti va. That is Shastra. Then we take Nidesha, what is given in the book. This is Pullinga.
Ajna,
Shasanam. Nidesha also means Agnya. You know what is Agnya? Shasanam also rule. So simply that is done. Then Grantha, what is that? Next.
Gira.
Nidesha Granthayoho Shastram. Yeah, Giraha. Next. Giraha. Gunantyetamiti Gihi. So Gihi, like I've slightly, I think, touched the derivation of this. Refanta. Refanta Shabda this is. Gihi, Girau, Giraha. Iti bhavati. Gihi is Prathama Ekavachanam. So Guru, Grunanti, first you break the sandhi. Grunanti, Etam, Iti. Etam, Grunanti. Bhashante, Vadanti, Iti. They speak it. They speak this through this language. Giraha means words. So, what is the dhatu? Guru Shabda, which is ninth Parasmaya Pada Shabda, to call out, to speak. So, Grunanti, Grunati, Grunutaha, Grunanti. So, that is how, that means, Giraha means speech, which is spoken. So, that is how it is explained. Brahmi is Srinivas next.
Brahmana Yam.
Brahmana Iyam, Brahmi. Brahmana Iyam. This is different. Yeah. Then how it is explained, relating to Brahma. Brahma means Veda. Brahma also means Veda. So relating to Brahma. So Brahmi. Then Bharati. Vibharti iti bhru dharana poshanayoho, to hold, to support. So it is called, speech is called Bharati because it supports you. It holds you. It holds you. In other words, it supports you to live in society. If you use correct language only, I think that we should remember in this context. Kimannam, Yaksha Prashna. I have told you several times. Gaurannam. What a simple question and equally simple answer. Kimannam, Yaksha. Yakshaha pruchati Dharmaraja. Tari Dharmaraja Rajaha tatra uttarayati. Uttaram dadati. Gaurannam iti. Gauhu nama speech. Now you can say, how this is Bharati? Vibharti iti. It supports you. It holds you to live. It supports you to live. Isn't it? Gaurannam. That Shabda, Gau Shabda is having 3-4 meanings, I said. Gau means Vak. Gauhu means Veda. Gau means Prithvi. Prithvi is Annam, nobody can dispute it. But when it is speech, also it is. So, like people, I have amply given examples if you remember earlier when this was there. People, for any leader, speech is food. For any actor, his dialogue delivery is food. For any teacher, for any, pleader, for any advocate, for that matter, his walk is his food. For any salesman, it is food. So in that sense it is. So it supports you. Now it is clear, na? Vibharti iti Bharati. Or there is one more interpretation. Bharatena Munina, there was a Muni, sage by name Bharata, Avataritatvat. This language was brought down to earth by a Muni by a sage called Bharata. So that is how also it is interpreted. Therefore it is called Bharati. Then one more interpretation is there, Srinivas.
Bharatasya iti va.
Bharatasya iyam iti va. Bharatasya iyam. This belonging to Bharata. Now down there one more interpretation. Vishwani bhutani bhriyante anaya. Vishwani bhutani. All the living beings. Bhriyante. Anaya. That means are nourished by this. But I have given the English translation in active voice. All the living beings are nourished by this speech. You know, Srinivas, we don't know, but even birds have communication. Animals do communicate. Birds also communicate. So communication is the fundamental thing for survival. There is one Dandi Mahakavi who talks very beautifully about this. Idam andhatamaha krishnam jayeta bhuvanatrayam. These three worlds would have been enveloped in darkness. Yadi shabdahvayam nama deepaha deepa. Yadi shabdahvayam nama deepahana. I'm not getting that. So had there been no shabda ahvaya nama deepa, had there been no lamp called in the form of speech, if there was no speech on the face of this earth, the three worlds would have been enveloped in darkness. That is the importance of speech. Shabdahvayam nama deepaha adipyate something. Idam andhatamaha krishnam jayeta bhuvanatrayam. That is what he said. So that is the importance of speech here. So Vishwani bhutani bhriyante anaya. Anaya Bharatya iti, by this. So therefore it is that. Now we have one more word here, Srinivas. Bhasha. Very simple derivation. Bhashyate. Bhasha. Vyaktayam vachi, to speak, to express. So how is bhasha interpreted here? When bhashyate iti bhasha. It is language because it is spoken. Bhasha, to speak. Since it is spoken, it is called a language. Now this is how even Sanskrit is defended to the charges sometimes made that Sanskrit is an artificial language, Sanskrit is a dead language. There is an allegation on Sanskrit. Sanskrit is mruta bhasha iti. Mruta bhasha nama mrutanam bhasha va. Mrutanam jananam kapi bhasha bhavati va. First question is there any language for the dead people? Then mruta bhasha nama mruta iyam bhasha. This language is dead. This is not dead like the Latin. The only we learn in linguistics is that only language which is completely dead accepted by scholars is Latin. Latin is no more used. But Sanskrit, till this date, there are so many poets in India, maybe abroad also, who are writing kavyas in Sanskrit, who communicate in Sanskrit. There is a Sanskrit village in Karnataka. So how can this language be called mruta bhasha? So that is, so bhasha, when you say bhashyata iti bhasha, bhashyate iti bhasha, it is called a language because it is spoken. Then we have Kalhana and Bilhana, two famous poets from Kashmir, Srinivas, who wrote Raja Tarangini. Kalhana and Bilhana. They were the very great poets. In their book they write Raja Tarangini, the history of kings of Kashmir. Yatra pratyavasam vilasati samskritam prakrutam cha. Yatra strinamapi kim aparam matrubhasha vadeva samskritam prakrutam, he says. In every home in Kashmir, every lady used to speak both Sanskrit and Prakrit. Pratyavasam vilasati samskritam prakrutam cha. Prati avasam. यत्र स्त्रीणामपि मातृभाषावत् प्रत्यावासं विलसति संस्कृतं प्राकृतं च. In Kashmir, in every house, every lady used to speak Sanskrit and Prakrit. That was the glory of Sanskrit, in Kashmir in those days. Every house, Bilhana has recorded this statement. So Sanskrit is a language which is spoken. Bhashyate iti bhasha. That is why I am telling you all these things. Seeing this interpretation. Bhashyata, the sandhi is there. Bhashyate iti bhasha. Read on. Next. Saraswati. No, Vani is there. Vak.
Vak. Uchyata iti vak. Vach paribhashane iti spoken.
So vacha dhatu is there, na? To speak. Vakti iti. Vak uchyata iti is spoken. Same like bhasha. Vak means same interpretation. Bhasha means same interpretation. Spoken. But there bhasha is the dhatu. Bhashate, this is bhuadigana. Bhashate, bhashate, bhashante. Vacha is second conjugation. Vakti, etc. So we go to Vani, Srinivas.
Vanyate
Shabdyata iti. Vana iti dhatuhu asti. Shabde. Vana means to make sound. Sound, shabde. So vanyate, passive voice. That means shabdyate iti. Sound is made. A sound is made. Shabdyata means is called. Vanyata is called or sounded. What is sometimes this vana to sound is interpreted as vanyate stuyate, Srinivas, is praised. What is praised? Therefore it is called vani. That means when you speak, Srinivas, you only praise people. Your speech should be that you praise mostly. Then it is called vani. We have one Subhashita. We have read it. Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha. Priyavakya pradhanena, Priyavakya bhashanena, sarve jantavaha tushyanti. All the pranikoti, living beings, feel happy. Sarve jantavaha includes all the living beings. Sarve praninaha tatra. Na kevalam manushaha tatra. Priyavakya pradhanena, Priyavakya katanena, bhashanena, na kevalam manushaha apitu sarve praninaha tushyanti. It is there. Provided you know the language of the animals, you know the language of the birds. In that context, I quoted you. This poem is studied, I think, somewhere. In Viduraniti, somewhere it came earlier. There is one movie in English, Dr. Dolittle, where he speaks to every animal on the earth. I saw it when I was very, very young. So he knows the language of all the animals and birds, Dr. Dolittle. So like that, if you speak nicely to human beings and also to animals, everybody becomes happy by pleasant talk. So now coming to my reference to poem, Srinivas. Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha tasmat tadeva vaktavyam. Therefore only that should be spoken. What should be spoken? Priyavakyam. Vachane ka daridrata. Then he questions at the end. Vachane, in the words, ka daridrata vartate. Where is the poverty of words? One can be poor by several means, but not by words. So that is how this Vani is recalling me that, Srinivas.
Yes.
Vanyate stuyate iti Vani. Vanyeka samalankaroti purusham. Vanyeka, Vani, Eka is coming in this book only. Samalankaroti purusham. Ya samskruta dharyate kshiyante khalu bhushanani satatam. Vagbhushanam, bhushanam, vagbhushanam. See the importance of speaking, good speaking. Once you can impress the people, they will never forget. If they are, serious listeners, not, listening skills also they should have. Vanyeka samalankaroti purusham. That poem is wonderful, later will take. So Vani is that, Srinivas. Otherwise speech it is. Saraswati, read.
Yeah, Saraha prasaranam sarvatra asti iti.
This is the interpretation. Yes. Saraha, Saraswati, Saraha means prasaranam, spreading. Sarvatra asti iti, everywhere it is there. It has spread everywhere, it spreads everywhere. Therefore it is called Saraswati. Beautiful interpretation. Education. So what do you understand? Education must spread everywhere. Isn't it? Saraswati is a Vidya. Vidya must spread everywhere. So that should be understood by this word Saraswati. I like this interpretation. Good. Shishyaha. Srinivas, next.
Shishyate shas anushishtaya.
Shas anusishtau, to teach, to inform, to govern. I think it came the same thing like above.
Yeah.
Shastram. Shishya.
Present tense shasti.
So Shishyate, one who is being taught, one who is governed, one who is taught or governed, informed. Present tense Shasti. Shasti means instructs. Asti, Shasti, Shastaha, Shasanti, etc. Then that is how. Shishyaha. Chhatraha is coming. Paryaya pada. Chhatraha. Now this is very wonderful. Guru
Doshachadanam chatram.
Guru dosha achhadanam. Guru doshanam achhadanam. प्रत्येकं गुरोः तत्र केचन दोषाः भवन्ति एव. तान् दोषान् यदि छात्रः उद्घाटयति, प्रकटीकरोति चेत् स न छात्रः. He is not a student who advertises the weak points of the teacher. Such fellow is called chhatra, who guards, protects the weak points of the teacher. That is what this Guru dosha achhadanam, doshachhadanam chatram. So it is like a chatram, like an umbrella. So a chhatra is like an umbrella to his guru. He protects him always. He is a protector. That is how it is interpreted. Then you may find some, firstly is Shishya, then you become Chhatra. First he is instructed. After gaining all the instructions, he becomes a Chhatra. He becomes a protector of the teacher. Ante Vasi, this is very simple. Samipe Vastum Sheelam Asya. This fellow has a habit of living very close to the teacher. Like this word is usually the Upanishad, Ante Vasina Manushasti. Veda Manuchyacharyo Ante Vasinam Anushasti. Ante Vasinam Anushasti. Vedam Anuchya. Veda Patanam Krutva. Ante Nama Samipe. Vastum Sheelam Asya. This, a person who lives very close to the teacher. Like in the Gurukula, Srinivas, or in private. I sometimes tell, like in private tuition. A private student is Antevasi only. Next, Kavihi. Kavate, Kautiva, Kung Shabde, to make sound, Srinivas. Kavate is Bhuvadigana. Kavate, Kavete, Kavante. Kauti is second conjugation, Parasmaya Pada. Second P means Parasmaya, Kauti. That means he makes, Kavi is because he makes sound by way of reciting his Padya. Sloka Patana Samaye Saha Shabdam Karoti Kalu, Kavihi. Kavitam Shravayati. He makes us listen to his poetry. So he makes some sound. Therefore he is called Kavihi. Kauti Atava Kavati. Next. Dhira. What happened?
Here, up to 105.
No, it is there.
After Shishya, Kavaya is Dhira.
Chhatra Antevasino Shishye over. Next, Kavaya. But there Bhagavachana is given, I have given Ekavachana here. Dhira.
Dhriyam. Irati.
Irati iti. Ira gatau. Ira to go. Dhiyam Rati. There is one more interpretation. Dhiyam Rati Radane. That one who gives the intellect. Dhira is one who has the intellect. Dhiyam Rati. One who speaks intelligently or etc. Something like that. Radane. Rati. This is Dvitiya Gana. Adadi. Manishi.
Manishasyasti. Manisha wisdom intelligence.
Manisha asya asti. Not clear?
Yeah.
Manisha asya. Manisha means intelligence, wisdom. Manisha asya asti. This person has the wisdom. Therefore, Manishi. Who is called Manishi?
Manisha
Asya asti iti. Like Panda asya asti iti, Pandit. Then some other suffix comes there. So Manishin, Manishi. Then we have Gnaha.
Jnanati.
Very simple. Janati iti Gnaha.
Jno Brahma.
That Gnaha, Brahma Buddha Vidvatsu iti Medini. There is Medini Kosha, not Amara Kosha. Says Gnaha means knower. Brahma Buddha Vidvatsu. Brahma Buddha Vidvatsu. Brahma means Veda, Buddha means scholars, Vidvat, etc. In this sense, we have to understand Gnaha. Prajnaha. Prajna asya asti iti. Prajna. Prajnaha is one who has got the prajna. You know, I have already told you, prajna. There are 4 types of intellectual faculties. Matihi, Smrutihi, Buddhihi, Prajna. One above the other. Matihi, Smrutihi, Buddhihi, Prajna. Prajna is Utkrishta. Sarvesham upari vartate tatra. So Prajna asya asti. One who has got Prajna is Prajna. Prajna Traikaliki Mata. Srinivas, last time I told you, I think. Smrutir Vyatita Vishaya. Since the time requires, I tell you the 4 definitions. Smrutihi Vyatita Vishaya. What is Smruti? Memory? Memory of the past. Matihi Agami Gochara. Matihi is that faculty of the intelligence which thinks of the, which has a futuristic vision, Srinivas. Matira Agami Gochara, which can see, that means by having the faculty of Mati, one can visualize things, envisage things, what you call, have a vision of the futuristic vision. Mati. Then Buddhi. Buddhihi Tatkaliki Mata, Srinivas. Buddhihi Tatkaliki Gneya. Buddhi should be known as temporary faculty of the intelligence. You know, what example you take, you are driving a car on road. On both the sides there is water. If your buddhi fails for a few seconds, Srinivas, either you will be on the left side of the water or to the right side of the water. Buddhihi Tatkaliki Gneya. Therefore, buddhi is to be known temporary, at that decision maker. Critical decision maker is buddhi. Prajna Traikaliki Mata. Prajna is called Prajna, a person, Prajnavan. Prajnaha is one who has the vision of the past, future and the present. That is the importance of word Prajna.
There is one more definition, sir. Nischayatmika buddhi.
Vishayatmika buddhi. Nischayatmika. That is what? Buddhi is Nischayatmika buddhi. Decision maker, buddhi is. That is why in this sloka, buddhi tatkaliki means it takes a temporary, instantaneous decision. So, what you said is also correct. Next question, Sankhyavan. Vicharanastyasya. How do you break this? विचारणा अस्ति अस्य विचारणास्त्यस्य
विचारणा अस्ति
अस्य
अस्य
विचारणास्त्यस्य मतुप, that is a suffix pratyaya by you can Sankhyavan. So Sankhyavan is one who is a well calculated person. When, you have to take into several things into account. Vicharana, a person who does any action after, vimrusyakari, one who does very deep study and then takes everything into calculation, account. So vicharana, Sankhyavan. Next, Pandita Srinivas.
Panda
Jata asya. Panda nama, what is Panda? You are learning in several. What is Panda? Sadasad Vyakti or something. Atma Anatma Jnanam. Viveka. Atma Anatma Viveka Panda. So Panda asya asti iti Pandita. Kavihi. Then same thing. Why again Kavis? Same thing I think repeatedly I wrote. Yeah. Kavate Kautivakum Shabde. Kava Stutau Varnanecha. There is one more interpretation there. Stutau Varnanecha, to praise. So Kavi is one who praises also. Not only makes sound, but he also recites, but he praises. So in that sense it is given. So in all these interpretations, what I like today is Vani. Vanyate Shabdyate iti. That one, Vak. Yes. Okay. Abhyasah panchadashamaha. Padachedam likatasi. Shastropaskrita Vikhyataha kavayaha vasanti
tat jadyam vasudharipasya kavayah hi artham vina api ishvaraha kutsya syuh kavi kuparikshakaha hi manayah yaihi arghatah
patitaha. द्वितीयांशः श्लोकाधारेण रिक्तस्थानानि पूर्णम्. ओके. कवयः विनापि. किं विनापि? विनापि अर्थं विनापि. कवयो ह्यर्थं विनापि ईश्वरः. श्रीनिवास. कवयः अर्थं विनापि ईश्वरः. बट कवयः अर्थं विनापि what is there? Ishvara. Any what adjective is there? Vasudharipasya kavayo hi artham vinapi Ishvara. Why has he given bracket? Okay. Vinapi kavayah artham vinapi vikhyataha. Vinapi, you can't say nirdhanaha Ishvaraha. Kavayaha vina artham vinapi. What goes, Srinivas? Or you can take that whole word, first word. Shastropaskrita shabda sundara giraha Ishvaraha. There is also Visheshana to this. Shastropaskrita Shabda Sundara Giraha Ishvaraha Vinapi Artham Vinapi Shastropaskrita Giraha Ishvaraha. That goes. Or Shishya Pradeyagamaha Ishvaraha. Vikhyataha Ishvaraha. Or you can take also Vikhyataha Ishvaraha. Adjectival to this. Yeah. Second part of this. Hi Kutsyaha Syuhu. कुपरीक्षकाः कुपरीक्षकाः हि कुत्स्याः स्युः मणयः पातिताः अर्घतः अर्घतः पातिताः. सो जस्ट रिपीट कवयः फर्स्ट सेकंड वन. कवयः अर्थं विनापि विख्याताः ईश्वराः और यू कैन से शास्त्रोपस्कृत शब्द सुंदरगिरः ईश्वराः. सेकंड वन कुपरीक्षकाः हि कुत्स्याः स्युः. देन मणयः अर्घतः पातिताः. थर्ड श्रीनिवास विशेष्य पदयोः विशेषण. कवयः. नाउ देयर आर 5 विशेषणास हियर. You can pick up now. First one in the poem. Shastropaskrita Shabda Sundara Giraha is one. I think, wait a minute. Shastropaskritaha is one adjective. Shabda Sundara Giraha should be taken as second. Or if you take one is falling short here actually. Next, Sishya Pradeya Gamaha. Okay. Vikyataha. Nirdhanaha. Oh, Ishvara is there. Yeah. Then Shastropaskrita Sundara Giraha. Giraha. Shishya Pradeyagamaha 2. Vikyataha 3. Nirdhanaha 4. Ishvaraha. Iti Pancha Visheshana Padani atra santi. Kasya Visheshana Padani? Kavi Shabdasya. Kavinam Kavi Shabdasya. कुपरीक्षकाः इति विशेष्यस्य विशेषणपदं किं? कुत्स्याः. कुपरीक्षकाः कुत्स्याः. ओके. फोर्थ श्रीनिवास. यथा निर्देशं श्लोकात् पदारि संकलयत. नो पिकअप. अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा बहुवचनम. अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा बहुवचनम. अकारांत. No, Akaranta. This is second word on the first line. Sishya Pradeyagamaha. Vikyataha 2. Nirdhanaha 3. Ishvaraha 4. Kutsyaha 5. Uparikshakaha 5. Patitaha 6. How many blanks are there? Only one more is there. Count 1. Sishya Pradeyagamaha 1. Vikyataha 2. Nirdhanaha 3. Ishvaraha 4. Kutsyaha 5. Kuparikshakaha 6. Patitaha 7. Okay. Then point 2. Ikaranta Pullinga Pratama Bahuvachanam. Shabda Dvayam. Ikaranta Pullinga Pratama Bahuvachanam. Ikaranta Pullinga. Kavayah. Pullinga Pratama Aya Bahuvachanam. Kavayah 1. Manayah. Say. Kavayah Manayah. Manayah iti Shabda Dvayam. Ikaranta Pullinga Pratama Bahuvachane. Panchamamshaha Padanam Pratipadikam Likata. Okay. Vasudhadhipasya. What is the base? Vasudhadipa Pratipadika. Vasudhadipa. Vishaye Vishaya. Yasya Yad. Tasya Tad. So Vasudhadipa is the base for Vasudhadipasya. Vishaye is Vishaya. Yasya Yad. Tasya Tad. षष्ठांशः समीचीनम् असमीचीनम्. शिष्य प्रदेयागमाः राजानः भवन्ति. असमीचीनं क्रॉस. अर्थेन कवयः ईश्वराः. असमीचीनं रॉन्ग. कवयः अर्घतः पातिताः. नो नॉट कवयः. मणयः. असमीचीनं. So 3 are coming down. प्रथमम् असमीचीनं, द्वितीयम् असमीचीनं, तृतीयमपि. फोर्थ. चतुर्थं कुपरीक्षकाः कुत्स्याः भवन्ति. सत्यं समीचीनं. पंचम कवयः विख्याताः भवन्ति. समीचीनं. राजानः अर्थं विनापि ईश्वराः. असमीचीनं. कवयः निर्धनाः वसन्ति दुष्टप्रभोः राज्ये समीचीनम्. So what are 1, 2, 3 asamicheenam, 4, 5 samichinam, 6th asamichinam, 7th अन्वय पूर्णम श्रीनिवास. शास्त्रोपस्कृत शब्द सुंदरगिरः शिष्य प्रदेयागमाः विख्याताः कवयः यस्य प्रभोः
विषये निर्धनाः
वसन्ति तत्
वसुधाधिपस्य जाड्यं हि कवयः अर्थं विना अपि ईश्वराः भवन्ति हि उपरीक्षकाः कुत्स्याः
स्युः यैः मणयः अर्गतः पातिताः. So please look into page 101 to fill in this, do this exercise. अग्रे गत्वा अष्टमांशः समस्तपदं लिखत. ओके, राइट द कंपाउंड वर्ड. वसुधायाः अधिपः इज इक्वल टू वसुधाधिपः तस्य वसुधाधिपस्य. भूम्याः पालकः भूमिपालकः भूमि तस्य भूमिपालकस्य. पृथिव्याः रक्षकः पृथिवी रक्षकः तं पृथिवी रक्षकं रक्षकस्य पृथिवी रक्षकस्य. पृथिवी रक्षकः तस्य पृथिवी रक्षकस्य. तस्य इज देयर ना, तम इज ओसन. ओ आई एम टेकिंग एवरीथिंग इज सेम. तं पृथिवी रक्षकं. चतुर्थं सीतायाः जनकः सीताजनकः सीताजनकेन तेन सीताजनकेन. सो शब्दद्वयम् अत्र षष्ट्याम्, एकं द्वितीयायाम् एकं तृतीयायां दत्तमस्ति. सिंपल एक्सरसाइज. तत् नवमांशः विग्रहवाक्यानि लिखत. ओके, अगेन ही वांट्स. शिष्यप्रदेयागमाः इज इक्वल टू भ्यः प्रदेयाः शिष्यप्रदेयाः आगमाः शान्ति येषां ते शिष्यप्रदेयागमाः इति बहुव्रीहि समासः. शास्त्रोपस्कृतशब्दसुन्दरगिरः शास्त्रैः उपस्कृताः शब्दाः. शास्त्रोपस्कृतशब्दाः शास्त्रोपस्कृतशब्दैः सुन्दरागिरिः येषां ते शास्त्रोपस्कृतसुन्दरगिरः. The Vigravakya is given on page 104. Please. शार्दूल विक्रीडिते वृत्ते अन्यमेकं श्लोकं लिखत. Now what we are reading, Vidyanāvanarasya Rūpamadikam, is an example of this. That will not. So many are there. We skip. Vidyanāva is Shardula Vikriditam. And Keyurana Vibhushayanti is also Shardulu. Slokasya Saramsham Samskutena Lekhanam Idanim. सुप्रसिद्धाः पठतु.
विद्वांसः कवयः
यस्य
राज्ञः देशे निर्धना भूत्वा जीवन्ति तस्य
राज्ञः मूढत्वमेव. राज्ञो नाम राज्ञः.
तादृशाः कवयः अर्थं विनापि ईश्वराः
समर्थाः.
विद्यैव तेषां
महाधनमिति
भावः. यदि
बहुमूल्यानि
रत्नानि
कुपरीक्षकैः अल्पमूल्यानि कृतानि चेत् तत्
परीक्षका एव
निन्द्याः
न तु तेन रत्नानां
किमपि मूल्यन्यूनत्वं जायते. सदाश्रयेन शोभन्ते पंडिता वनिता लताः. सदाश्रयेन शोभन्ते पंडिता वनिता लताः इति काचित् सूक्तिरपि अस्ति. There is one saying, unless there is the ashraya of the good people, पंडिताः न शोभन्ते लताः न शोभन्ते एवमेव वनिताः अपि न शोभन्ते. सर्वेपि ताता पंडिताः लताः वनिताः वनिता लताः. विसर्गस्य लोप तत्र. पंडिताः वनिता लताः. अयं लिखा सारांशं लिखामि, पठतु। This is 15, 16, 11 part 15. अभ्यास 15, 11.
सुप्रसिद्धाः विद्वांसः
विद्वांसः
कवयः
यस्य राज्ञः देशे निर्धनाः भूत्वा. Oh, visarga is not there, na? Okay. जीवन्ति तत्तस्य
राज्ञौ मूढत्वमेव. स्टॉप.
मूढत्वमेव.
स्टॉप. तादृशाः
कवयः
अर्थं विनापि ईश्वराः समर्थाः
समर्थाः भवन्ति इति तत्र अवगतम्.
विद्यैव
तेषां
महाधनमिति
भावः.
यदि बहुमूल्यानि
रत्नानि कुपरीक्षकैः अल्पमूल्यानि
कृतानि चेत् परीक्षका
एव विन्द्याः न तु तेन रत्नानां किमपि न्यूनत्वं
जायते. सदाश्रयेण शोभन्ते.
That will write with. सदाश्रयेण
सदाश्रयेण शोभन्ति
सदाश्रयेण शोभन्ति पंडिताः वनिता लताः. Is this last line visible, Srinivas? एकवारं पठतु.
सुप्रसिद्धाः विद्वांसः कवयः यस्य राज्ञः देशे निर्धनाः भूत्वा जीवन्ति तत् तस्य राज्ञो मूढत्वमेव. तादृशाः कामः अर्थं विना ईश्वराः समर्थाः
तादृशाः कवयः अर्थं विनापि ईश्वराः समर्थाः भवन्ति इति.
विद्यैव तेषां महाधनमिति भावः. यदि बहुमूल्यानि रत्नानि उपरीक्षकैः
अल्पमूल्यानि कृतानि चेत्
तत् परीक्षका एव निन्द्याः न तु तेन रत्नानां किमपि न्यूनत्वं जायते. न तु तेन मीन्स् उपरीक्षकेन, राइट सर?
तेन by this act, तेन कर्मणा, तेन न तु तेन 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 कर्मणा तेन तेन परि मूल्यांकनेन, तेन मूल्यांकनेन, by that, but not by that, by this act of devaluation, रत्नानां किमपि मूल्य न्यूनत्वं जायते. By this there is no मूल्य न्यूनत्व, means worthlessness of the gems is done. सदाश्रयेन शोभन्ते, that's a mistake committed. सदाश्रयेन सताम् आश्रयेन शोभन्ति पंडिताः लता वनिताः लताः. विसर्गलो अयं सुसम्पन्नः जातः. आगामिनि कक्षायाम् अन्यं श्लोकं स्वीकुर्मः. शुभं भूयात्.